Good day. Welcome back to another, trading session of our academy, Zingo Academy. All right, guys. Today I'm just going to review some setups that we have taken. Okay, some setups we made on card Swiss franc. Okay, daily chart. Okay, guys. You see, I want to let us know that everything about forex trading is strategy. You have to have the right strategy in place. You have to have the right strategy in your toolbox. Okay, now we did this setup last week. Okay, and we were able to analyze this market to the point that we found out what price action was doing. Okay, what price action was doing. So what we decided to do was that we saw that from the daily time frame, that price has created this descending channel. Okay, up to the point that it could no longer break down to the lower trend line of the channel. Okay, so when we did this analysis, price was somewhere here. Okay, price was somewhere here at the upper channel. So we had expected that it was going to break this channel, and we said if it did, we will set a pending sell order here. All right, at 0.7168. Okay, and we target to take our profit at this point. That is about at 0.71029. Okay, so guys, but again, I put this line here, this trend line here, at this price 0.72960. Okay, because I said if price is unable to break down, then it will break up. You see, everything about trading is probability. No trader in this world can say for sure what the market is going to do. Okay, they can only predict, just as the weather forecaster. You can only predict or forecast what the weather may do. You cannot be 100%. Okay, so the same thing goes with forex. Okay, now if you look at what I did here, I was able to put this rectangular bar here to show a strong position in the market, a strong structure point in the market. Okay, that was why I put this blue bar here. Okay, now that means that if price had visited this position in the past, okay, chances are that it will get at it. So the strategy would have been to put two pending orders at this point and some pips below. Okay, so that whichever one triggers first, okay, you close the order. Okay, so that was what we were supposed to do. We're supposed to put two pending orders, but we went and put a pending order below here and didn't put another one on top. Otherwise we would have made some pips from here. Guys, look at, we would have made from here to this point. All right, we would have made by now, we would have made 105 pips, guys. 105 pips, and that would have been awesome trade, guys. Awesome trade. Okay, so going forward, next time when we try to set up when we have this kind of beautiful setups, the strategy we are going to use is that we're going to put two pending orders, one above and one below. Whichever one hits first and goes into profit deeply, we'll close the order. All right, we'll close the order, order. Okay, so guys, but actually we didn't lose anything. This price here did not trigger. Okay, so the only setback is that we did not enter this trade. We lost this opportunity. Okay, that was an opportunity we ought to have utilized, by being strategic. Like I told you, trading is all about strategy. Okay, so guys, where I just did this analysis, this video, for us to understand how to trade forex. Okay, when you do your setups, okay, okay, let me just describe what we did here in this charting. Okay, so what we did there was that we were able to identify market structure. Okay, we identified market structure and saw that this market was moving in a sideways. Okay, in a sideways direction. In a sideways. It was a sideways market. Okay, you can see we discovered this point. Price went up here, came down here, got here, got stalled, started ranging. okay, until it broke through that range, okay, until it broke through that range, and it's going back again to test a level it has tested in the past here. Okay, so when that happens, then you expect it to start coming down again like this, guys. If it gets here, that's another opportunity I see. We can also enter the market when price has gotten here, okay, and retested that level, okay, and retested that, and retest this level, okay. Price will retest this level, okay, all right, and we now take it down. We'll now take it down, guys. That's what we are going to do. We'll now take it down to a level and get some pips out of the market, okay, get some pips out of the market, guys. So that's what we're going to do. Excuse me, let me draw this. All right, so that's what we expect price to do going forward, guys. So there's still an opportunity in this market. We can still get one or two things out of this market, guys. So this is what we expect. All right, guys, so I'm going to wait for this market to unfold. I will not enter a trade here because I need to enter from a structure position of strength, okay. I don't enter trade midway, okay. So this trade has gone, we have missed the train. We have to wait for another trading opportunity, guys. I will take the market, we take the trade from when price is at the structure level of support and resistance, guys. That is the strategy. That is how to trade forex. Wait for price to get to a certain level of confidence, of confluence, okay, before, or sorry, wait for price to get to a certain level where structure has been built in the past. This is price action, guys. This is price action. Wait for price to get to a position, a level, a zone where you can comfortably take or enter the trade from. That's the strategy. All right, so we're going to wait for this price to come and test this level. This rectangular position is a level, okay. When price gets here, then we'll now start looking for opportunity to short or to take a long position in this market, okay. So let's even add some indicators to see where our support and resistance areas are, okay. All right, you can see this is verified resistance, okay. So this area, these levels are okay. This where this my bar is now, it's a verified resistance zone. So price is ultimately coming to test these levels, and from these levels we now take a short position in the market and catch some pips, guys. That's what we're going to do. Thank you very much, guys. Without saying so much, this is how this market is going to unfold. We're going to monitor it. This is pure price action. We're not going to look at any other thing in this market but look at price. Price is king in this market, okay. So guys, thank you very much. Stand by anytime, keep watching. Visit our channel on YouTube, on Facebook, okay, on WhatsApp, okay, whatever social channel you see us, please come in there, you know, check out and snoop around and see what is happening so that you can learn from me, having been doing this business for a pretty long time, okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again when we do another analysis on forex. Thank you and bye bye.